Welcome to the Income Training Kit Chapter 2, Warriorplus Overview. In this video tutorial, we are going to give you a detailed overview of Warriorplus Marketplace step by step. So let's get started. So we are on warriorplus.com, which is its official homepage. Here it is written: your profit is our business, best-in-class sales automation, affiliate network, and education for digital business owners and online marketers, with a Learn More and Sign Up Free button. On right, we have this Features tab. Click on it. So this is their features page. Here it is showing limitless sales funnels at Warriorplus. We don't believe in limits. Then we have unlimited upsells and downsells, unlimited products per page, multiple payment providers, dynamic pricing, split tests. Below we have tracking stats, pixels. You can see details about it as well. Then we have affiliate offers galore. Here you can find the best offers to promote. We have launch calendar, extra exposure, clear stats, easy link request, and get started button. Then know your customers. Here you can see your data when you need it. Manage your customers, buyers, and subscribers easily. And a get started button. Next is multi-tiered commissions, which is to motivate your affiliates. Then there is easily manage affiliates, automated product alerts, powerful modern API. Then there's even more features: coupon codes, pre-launch, easy ad placement, split testing, multiple payment options, delegate logins, affiliate accelerator, instant payments. You can get paid instantly via PayPal for affiliate commissions. Then we have affiliate sync, purchase history, vendor profiles, launch calendar. Then their worldwide partners integrations, a member pro, ARP reach, Aweber, constant contact, digital access pass, drip, Kajob, Infusionsoft, GoToWebinar, Google, GetResponse, Facebook, MailChimp, Optimize Press, Product Dino, Slack, and Wishlist. A little below we have more options. Here they have their help and support link if you need help with anything. Back on top, let's go to the home page and scroll a little down, and here you can see more of its features. Then we have customer testimonials. Next is the Why Choose Warriorplus section. Stable. Its community since 2006. Then, powerful. Support. Evolving. Experience. Community. Then, at last, we have Create Account button. Or you can sign up for free from this top free sign up button. So that's pretty much everything about Warriorplus. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 3. JVZoo Overview. In that video, we are going to give you a brief overview of the JVZoo Marketplace step by step. See you in the next tutorial.